everybody, I'm Danny.
And I'm Erica.
And in today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at adjectives. Remember, we use adjectives to describe things. We want to look at the difference between adjectives ending in ed and adjectives ending in ing. Remember, adjectives ending in ed describe how you feel about something, and adjectives ending in ing describe something or someone. So let's have a look at it in a conversation.
Hey, how's your English class going at Harmon Hall?
It's great. It's not boring at all. My teacher is interesting and I'm always so excited to learn English.
Wow, do you feel embarrassed when you're speaking in English?
No, not at all. It's not embarrassing at all. In fact, I feel excited to speak in English.
That is so amazing. You know what? Maybe I will have to start taking English classes too.
Yeah, you should come.
Okay.
So remember, we talked about how we feel using adjectives ending in ed, and we described people and things using adjectives ending in ing. You can learn this in course 12 here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez. Call 2424-158. See you.
Bye.